For the next part of the project, I'm going to have to do some joinery. And joinery, for those of you who don't know, is when you join two bits of wood. And there are a million different ways to do this. The plans I'm calling for call for a half lap joint. And a half lap joint is when you take a couple of pieces of wood and you carve out halfway down the wood. So picture this, if you would. A dado here, or a half of this wood cut away, and the same done on a second piece of wood, so you can cross them and they'll lay into each other, so the tops will be flat. So they'll essentially look like this. But I can do that same thing by using what they call a pocket hole jig. And a pocket hole jig, like the one I have here, looks like a pretty simple device. All you do is clamp the jig to a piece of wood like this, and then you drill down through this hole with a special drill bit. And that drill bit will dig into the wood part way, and it will hide the screws that you use. So when I get this jig, I put it on the wood, I take this special drill bit, and it goes into the jig, and as you can see, it drills down part way into the wood. And so then what you do is, once you have that done, you take some of these screws with a large head on them and you put those into the pocket hole, and it will join this piece of wood. I just did one to mock it up. I have a pocket hole screw in here, and this pocket hole screw will go in there and get screwed up into this piece of wood. And it makes for a very solid joint. And so that's what we're going to do today. So then, all we have to do is screw the two pieces together like this. And so that's how you join two pieces of wood using pocket holes. I hope you liked this quick video on using pocket hole jigs. And this is Scott for the XFed Homestead. I'll see you next time.